See if we can't get some sort of bed in this thing. Tom, your truck sucks. Take it back.
Dude, she's good.
Oh yeah, brother. There you go. Oh,
It's wood.
hey. So wait, do we need to stain it?
Yeah.
Oh dear God, they just literally sent wood.
Well, yeah.
What color are you gonna stain this puppy?
I'm just gonna paint it orange.
There you go. Yeah. Damn. Wonder why we don't ever get anything done.
Like, dude, he's got a pizza box between his tits.
Oh yeah. That far one might be just a smidgen off, but dude, that's pretty much there.
Fucking help if I tighten it better, huh?
It looks like you're running a jackhammer. All right. Oh, hell yeah, son. Hot damn it down. So essentially we got it all in place just to get a good idea of how it's going to look, which is absolutely incredible in my opinion. Some of the finer work we've done, I can't bolt it down right now because we're using carriage bolts, so it's going to be a one-time deal. So the next step before we can actually install this is to take it all apart, take out the radiator pack and everything else. We're going to pull this whole bed, prep it up, and get it up and get the entire interior Linexed. After that, we'll be able to put the bed back in permanently.